If you've ever wanted to make bakery-style cinnamon raisin bagels at home, this is how I do it. I start by activating the yeast in warm water with a little sugar. You're just looking for foam here. That's how you know the yeast is alive and ready to work. Then everything goes into the mixer. Flour, salt, cinnamon, the rest of the sugar. Let it knead until the dough is smooth and elastic. Bagel dough is stiff by design, so it should feel firm but workable. Place it back in the same bowl that has been lightly greased. Cover for 1 hour. After the first rise, I gently fold in the raisins by briefly kneading them into the dough. I divide the dough into 8 equal pieces, weighing them if I want uniform bagels. From here, you have 2 options for shaping. The poke and stretch method gives you a more rustic bagel. Gently poke a hole through the center with your finger, then gently stretch and swing it around your finger like a hula hoop until the hole is wide enough. If you want smoother, more professional-looking bagels, I prefer the rope method. You roll the dough into a rope, wrap it around your hand, overlap the ends, and roll the seam firmly on the counter to seal. This creates a tighter surface and a cleaner shape. Once shaped, the bagels rest. That cold rest develops flavor and helps them hold their shape. When it's time to cook, they go into a gentle simmer. They should float when they hit the water. Simmer for 45 seconds on each side and remove to a wire rack. Place them in the oven for 20 minutes or until golden brown. I brush them with a little maple syrup while they're warm for that classic bagel shine and a little more sweetness. For all the details and more tips, visit nutsandtwigs.com.